Hi, I'm Tom Norcross with Hawk Equipment. I'm here again with one of our lowboys and with a how-to tip, and this is regards into maintenance. So again, we've got oil-filled hubs, which is standard on our lowboys. Obviously, everybody can come in here, remove the cap, dip your finger in, check it, and you have your fill line. The thing you really need to look for, especially in the environment that these trailers live in, is check the Lexan cap here. Feel for any cracks, hairline cracks, because it's a lot easier to buy a hubcap and replace it than burn up an axle later.